Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to run macros when a workbook is open. So it is possible that whenever you open a workbook, the predefined macros that you define will be applied automatically. So this is how it's done. So the first thing we need to do is that we go at the level of the view tab, and in the macros group we are going to choose the record macro. Okay, so when you choose the record macro, you name the macro. Okay, so we are going to give the name as ExcelXam 2. Good. So when you are done, you click on OK. They don't like numbers. Okay, we are going to leave it like that. Let's insert, put Excel without the M. Okay, so wait. So let's include an underscore, and we still click on OK, and the thing has been saved automatically. Now from here you then select a group of cells. Let's say from cell D3 to D8, and then we define a particular function or a particular command. Let's put it in italics. Okay, good. And we go at level of the view tab, the macros group, and we stop the recording. Okay, now let's bring these values into what we had previously. Okay, the time new romance functionality, and then we still select this group of cells in the view tab, the macros group, and in the view macros we select the name we have named just previously. Okay, let's save. So we are going to choose one of the macros name. So let's choose the highlights Loudon, and you're going to see that there are different modifications that we do in this formula has been automatically adjusted on our worksheet. Now the next thing you need to do is that you save, or you click on cancel, and from there you save this document, you close the document, and then you try to open the document back. You go at level of the file tab, and in the home tab, in the recent tabs, you're going to see there the running macros when the workbook is open. So you open it, and you're going to receive this message. If you wish the previous macros to be applied on this document, you click on enable the content, and if you don't, you click on cancel. So let's click on enable the content, and if I choose again this, and then I go at level of the view tab, and then I click on run, automatically you're going to see that the cells that I have chosen will be changed into the italics format. Okay, good. So when you are done, you click on save, and then you close your work. Good. So thank you guys for watching. We have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. Bye bye.